Hi all, in this video I would like to focus on the basic rules of the differentiation, rules for the differentiating. Okay, if f of x is equal to x to the power of n, then the f dash x is nx n minus 1, where n is a real value. Let's see how does it happen. We will take f of x is x to the power of n. Then f of x plus h is equal to x plus h to the power of n. F of x plus h minus fx is x plus h to the power of n minus xn. We know the binomial distribution, therefore x plus h to the power of n can be written as sum of all terms I is equal to 0 to n. NCR h to the power of r x n minus r. Okay, I'll write down the first few terms. NC0 h h0 xn NG1 h xn minus 1 NZ2 h square xn minus 2, so on. Therefore, f of x plus h minus f of x can be written as NC0 is 1, xn plus NC1 is n, h xn minus 1, NC2 h square xn minus 2, so on, minus xn. Now, if we simplify xn and xn get cancelled, n times h xn minus 1 nc2 h square xn minus 2, so on. We have to divide both sides by h. N h x minus 1 plus nc2 h square xn minus 2 nc3 h to the power of 3x minus 3, so on, divided by h. If I take h as the common denominator, nxn minus 1 nz2h xn minus 2 nz3 h square xn minus 3, so on. H and h get cancelled. Now limit h goes to 0, fx plus h minus fx over h. This is nxn minus 1. All the other terms are 0 because there is a h. Therefore, nxn minus 1, this is f dash x. This is the required rule. Therefore, if f of x is equal to x to the power of n, f dash x can be written as nxn minus 1. The first rule. The second one is if f of x is a constant, where c is a constant, then f dash x is always, it is 0. The derivative of the constant is equal to 0. The next one is if there is a constant in front, that means f of x is equal to k times gx. Gx is another function. F dash x can be written as, you have to keep k as it is, g dash x. The next one is if f of x is gx plus hx, gx and hx are two different functions, then f dash x is equal to g dash x plus h dash x. Similarly, f of x is gx minus hx, f dash x is g dash x minus h dash x. Now, let's see some examples. Find the gradient at the point with the x-coordinate is 3 on each of the following curves. Okay, this is the curve. Y is equal to 4x minus x square. What is dy on dx? We know that dy on dx we can use nx and 4 times x to the power of 1 minus 1 minus 2 times x2 minus 1. That means x to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 2x. 4 minus 2x. When x is equal to 3, dy on dx is equal to 4 minus 6. It is negative 2. That's the gradient of the curve when x is equal to 3 is negative 2. The next one, find the gradient on each of the following curves. Y is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 3. What is dy on dx? dy on dx is 2 times 2x minus 8 times 1 plus 0 because the 3 is a constant. 4x minus 8. The next one, find the gradient of each curve at given point. The first one is y is equal to x square plus 6x plus 8. What is dy on dx? dy on dx is 2x plus 6 times 1, 2x plus 6. When x is equal to negative 3, 2 times negative 3 plus 6, negative 6 plus positive 6, it is 0. The gradient is 0. The next example, y is equal to 4x plus x to the power of negative 2. Then dy on dx is equal to 4 times 1 plus negative 2 times x to the power of negative 2 minus 1. 4 times 1 is 4 minus 2x to the power of negative 3. This can be written as 4 minus 2 over x to the power of 3. Then we are asked to find the, when x is equal to half, 4 minus 2 over half to the power of 3. That means 4 minus 2 times 2 to the power of 3. 4 minus 2 to the power of 4. It is 4 minus 16. It is negative 12. This is the gradient when x is equal to half. The gradient of the curve is negative 12. The next rule is the chain rule. Let's see what it is. Let y is equal to f of u and u is equal to, y is a function of u and u is a function of x. Then dy on dx can be written as dy over du times du over dx. This is the chain rule. Let's see how to use this one. I'll take y is equal to x square plus 1 to the power of 2. If you want, we can expand the brackets of this one and you can use the differentiation rule. Without expanding the bracket, how do we do this one? We have to take u is equal to x square plus 1. Then y is equal to u to the power of 2. Now, what is du on dx? Du on dx is 2x. What is dy on du? 2u. Then, but chain rule says dy on dx is equal to dy on du times du on dx. What is dy on du? 2u times 2x 4ux. 4x times u is x square plus 1. Next example is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1 to the power of half. We can't expand this one. Therefore, we have to take u is equal to x square plus 3x plus 1. Then y is equal to u to the power of half. What is du on dx? Du on dx is 2x plus 3. What is dy on du? Half u negative half. Dy on dx is equal to half u negative half times 2x plus 3. Half times u is x square plus 3x plus 1 to the power of negative half 2x plus 3. This is the final answer. We can write this one 2x plus 3 over twice x square plus 3x plus 1 to the power of half. Thanks for watching my video. In my next video, I'll discuss the other rules of the differentiation. Please subscribe my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.